Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficial and most merciful, I am Susina and you will catch me in teaching mathematics of grade 6, 7 and 8. Dear students, today I come up with the topic of class 7, Board Maths V5, Chapter 12, Introduction to Geometrical Constructions. This is Lecture 5, Video 5 and facilitator, it's me, Ms. Susina. Dear students, today we are going to cover the topic in this lecture as steps of construction of triangle, solve related problems, plus we will do work problems and discuss work problems as well as practice now, and I will give you home tasks as well. Yes students, take out your maths book and take out page number 3. Yes students, take out your book and take out page number 301. This is construction of triangles. In this section, let's start with the work example 3. Before doing any problem, study thoroughly the work example. So this is work example 3. See, this is the construction of a triangle. You will be given two sides and an included angle. Okay. Now, dear students, there are three cases of construction of a triangle. In the very first case, you will be given just two sides. You will be given just two sides and an angle. In the next case, you will be given all the three sides of the triangle, whereas in the last case you will be given just one side and two angles of the triangle are given here. So this is our last case. So now we are going to study our first case. It's construction of a triangle when you are given two sides and included angle. So work example 3, let's start. This is construct triangle ABC such that AB is equals to 10.5 cm, BC is equals to 7.5 cm and angle ABC is equals to 60 degrees. So this is our first task. We are also given other two parts, but before doing other two parts, let's complete our first task. Just listen very carefully and see the steps which I am going to follow. This is already my triangle. First of all, we are going to discuss that. They are saying construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 10.5 cm. The first side 10.5 cm. So dear students, in the construction, today right now we will draw its base first. It's AB. AB, first of all, we will draw the line segment AB of 10.5 cm. This is our very first students. When you are given two sides and an angle, so our first step will be to make the base of the triangle. They have given the base of the triangle AB is let AB is the base of the triangle. It's 10.5 cm. Let's draw it first using a ruler, centimeter ruler. See here, this is 0 and this is 10.5. See, I'm going to draw 10.5 cm. Understand? Now what's our next step? They have given us two sides. So next is, plus they have also given us angle ABC. This is A, this is B. We will also write its measurement, it's 10.5 cm. Dear students, our next step will be to draw the angle. Where is projector? This is here. With the center B, we will construct the angle of 60 degrees. See here. See here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and this is our 60. So 60, just draw the line like this. This is our angle 60, which is angle A, B and C. Now come to the other side. What is the other side? It's BC is equals to 7.5 cm. See here, this is BC which is equals to 7.5 cm. So no need to confuse, just open your compass. This is your compass, as I explained you in my previous lecture about the compass, and open your compass of the radius 7.5. This is your compass 7.5. This is 7.5 and this is 0. Right. ठीक है. चलो. Okay. With the center B, with the radius 7.5 centimeter, put an arc of at point. Oh my God. Now this is our arc. Now this is our point C. Now this side was unknown to us, so we are going to join A and C. So we have joined it. Understand everyone? So here our construction is complete. Okay. We have finished our first task. It was the construction of triangle when you are given two sides and an angle. There's another part. They have saying measure and write down the length of AC. So this is AC. We are going to measure it. This is centimeter. When we will measure it, we will get the measurement 9.4 centimeter approximately. See, so I'm going to write 9.4 centimeter. Look at here. We have done this task. We have done this task. Now see this task. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB such that it cuts AC. Now what they are saying? We have to construct the perpendicular bisector of AB such that it cuts AC. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB such that it cuts AC. Dear students, in previous lecture we have learned about the bisection of perpendicular bisection and angle bisection. So we will follow the same steps. Now where we have to draw the perpendicular bisector? Here on AB. So for that, this is your compass. Open your compass more than the half of AB. Let this open your compass more than the half of AB. And put the arc above and below AB. With the same radius and with the center B, cut the previous arc here and here. Now join these two arcs. Yes. Okay. Length of BS क्या है ये? Okay, students. See, they were saying that draw the perpendicular bisector on AB so that it cuts AC at point S. So this is point S. Now, what they are saying? See, let's see the next task. Let's see the next task. What is the next task? Measure and write down the length of BS such that S is the point where the perpendicular bisector of AB cuts AC. Now our task is to measure B and S, where S is the point the perpendicular bisector of AB cuts AC at point S. So we are going to measure by centimeter ruler. It's A. See, the length of this is 7.5 centimeter. So this is what the required length, and here our task is finished. Understand everyone? G. Yes students, see page number 302 where you are given the question of practice now 3. Let's see the question. The practice now 3 question is same as that of the work example 3 which we have done right now in the book. The first case, construct triangle ABC such that AB is equals to this, BC is equals to this, and angle AB is equals to 130 degree. Right now, so dear students, our first step to construct the triangle ABC of first case, where we are given just two sides and an angle. So for that, I am going to make the base of the triangle of AB of 7.6 centimeter. Dear students, we have drawn line AB 7.6 centimeter, that is the base of the triangle. Now we are given another side as well as angle. So angle ABC is equals to, given that angle ABC is equals to 130 degree. So here is my protractor and I am going to mark a angle of 130 degree from the center B. So this is 130 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 90 and 100, 110, 120 and 130. So here I am just going to try it. Oh my God. Listening. Okay. 130 degree, right? Now our next step, they are saying, see here, our next step, this is angle ABC of 130 degree. Our next step is to put the arc of radius 4.8 centimeter. So I have already opened my compass of 4.8 centimeter. See here, 4.8 centimeter from here, and I am going to put the arc. But see, zoom करें सर इसको, ये कितने का बना है? 130 डिग्री. दिस 130 डिग्री angle and this is 4.8 centimeter. Oh, let me check again, I'm not sure. 4.8 centimeter. With the center B, open your compass of radius 4.8 centimeter and put the arc like this. Okay. Now what we will do, we will now join A. This is our point C. We will join A to C. Understand? So this is our triangle. The construction of the triangle is almost complete. Let's see our next step. Measure and write down the length of AC. Let's measure length of AC. Measure and write down the length of AC. Length of AC is 11.5 centimeter. Measure of length is AC is equals to 11.5 centimeter. Okay. Now what's the next step? Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB such that it cuts AC. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. It means we have to construct the bisector of AB that cuts AC. Okay. We will draw the perpendicular bisector here. First of all, we will open our compass of radius more than the half of AB and we will put the arc above and below AB, then with the center A. Then we will cut these arc. Sorry, the arcs are very small. With the center A, we will put the arc above. Sorry.